Hey, what's up you guys? This is Pat McIntosh, the Eldorado Solar Dude, talking about NBCs, non-bypassable charges. You'll find them on your net energy metering statement down near the bottom of that spreadsheet. They're plus or minus 10 bucks or $5 depending on what your rate schedule is. And those are like the infrastructure, generation, transmission, distribution charges that PG&E has to pass on to you. Now, there's no way to wipe those out if you have a true-up bill. Now, PG&E and the other California utilities are trying to raise that interconnection rate to like $70 or $90. So now's the time to generate more. If there's more room on your roof, it's important to generate slightly more than 100% of what your usage is throughout the year so you can wipe out those fees and get grandfathered in at the Net Energy Metering 2 agreement with PG&E instead of waiting for what comes down the line as far as non-bypassable charges that are going to be more in the future if they get their way. So to get more information on what your non-bypassable charges are, you can call us 415-341-2646 or at eldoradosolardude.com. We'll be able to hopefully give you the best case scenario for your roof.